Here you can see I have some simple mobile app for calisthenics tracker, and in the menu there's nothing at the bottom. So I created some initiative in One Horizon to add some about section. If you open that initiative, you can see I added some details with requirements. And what you might have done before in the early ages of AI is like go here, copy the prompt, paste it in ChatGPT, but that's the old way, right? Now you can have everything more integrated. So you can already see this Codex option. If you're not seeing it, you should go to Settings, Preferences, and then enable it, or any of the other ones. You can also enable multiple. So like when I'm running out of tokens for Codex, I can enable cursor and continue there. You can also select what terminal folders you can use there, and then it will directly open the right one. So if I'm now looking at that initiative again, then I can directly send it to Codex like this, or like this. And then I can select the mode. So in this case, it's a pretty simple task. It can just build directly. So let me send it. Then you can see it passes it to Codex wrapped in a prompt with some more additional information like the ID, so it can keep track of it, also using our MCP. If it has a parent, it will pass it as well. So here you can see there's some parent to publish it in the app stores, and this was like some item that will be part of that. So I added that as an example parent. And then you can also see it includes to update the initiative to in progress. So let's test that. So it will always start by updating that initiative. If I'm going back, you can see it's now in progress. I didn't do that myself, that's done by the MCP. And once it's done, it will set it to in review. So let's wait for it. So now you can see it's done. It's setting it to in review. It's giving me a summary of what it did. And you can see the changes. So let me go to the status. You can see it's in review because it is done, but I am always in the loop, right? I need to review it and confirm before setting it to complete it like this, or dragging it, or telling the MCP. So let me actually review it. Let me restart the app. Yeah, it looks decent. So that's fine for now. Let me review it here just to be sure. Of course, I'm reviewing this really well. Yeah, all good. Okay, now let's set it. It's done. So it doesn't always add a summary to the task description, but if you do use the GitHub PR bot, you'll get a summary there with a checklist of things to add. But if you want to include it, sometimes it does it, like if it needed to change a lot of things, but you can always just ask for it and then it will be able to do that as well. If you now go back to the initiative in One Horizon, you can see it added the implementation summary and it changed the status to completed.